In the journey of life, there's a powerful idea. The universe has a way of giving back the time we think we've wasted. This concept, though it might seem unbelievable at first, is rooted in faith, spirituality, and personal growth. As we explore this idea, we will notice small signs that show the universe's amazing ability to renew and refresh our lives. The belief that the universe can restore lost time brings hope and wonder. It means that not only can the universe fix what seems broken, but it can also improve and elevate our lives. Throughout this journey, we'll discover these signs as evidence of the universe's kindness, offering a promise of transformation that goes beyond time and circumstances. One of the clearest signs that the universe is working to restore lost years is the experience of healing and wholeness. Emotional wounds, though often invisible, can greatly affect our physical health and overall well-being. Emotional trauma can be more damaging than physical injuries, casting long shadows over our lives. However, when the universe begins its work of restoration, it starts a gradual healing process that affects every part of us. Consider the story of Esther, a woman burdened for years by emotional scars. These unhealed wounds impacted her physical health, leaving her feeling drained and fragile. Guided by unseen forces, Esther began a journey of self-discovery, embracing spiritual practices and the universe's restorative power. Over time, she let go of the pain and heartbreak that had held her captive. The universe helped her forgive those who had hurt her deeply, leading to improvements in her physical health as well. Esther's story is a powerful example of the universe's ability to restore even the most wounded souls to a state of healing and wholeness. The universe not only mends what is broken, but makes it stronger and more vibrant. Another clear sign that the universe is restoring your lost years is an enhanced clarity of thought. It's like a veil has been lifted from your mind, allowing you to see your life's journey more clearly. You'll notice the universe's influence in the details of your life that were once confusing or uncertain. This clarity goes beyond just understanding. It offers deep insights that transform your perspective. With this new clarity, you'll see past setbacks and failures as steps toward future success. What once seemed like insurmountable obstacles now appear as opportunities for growth and transformation. Your view of life's challenges changes profoundly, and you recognize that they helped build your resilience and inner strength. This clarity of thought is not only a sign of the universe's work in your life, but also a tool for facing your journey with renewed optimism and purpose. Another clear sign that the universe is restoring your lost years is the experience of abundance and unexpected blessings. When financial prosperity begins to appear in your life, it's a sign of the universe's kindness. However, this restoration isn't just about money. It extends to all areas of your life. Consider the idea of unexpected blessings. You might find yourself encountering favorable circumstances, sometimes as financial windfalls, but often as blessings that go beyond money. Strangers may show kindness, acquaintances might help you without a clear reason, and opportunities can come from unexpected places. These blessings are a sign that the universe is working to restore what you once thought was lost. One key sign that the universe is restoring your lost years is a remarkable increase in inner strength and resilience. This new fortitude helps you face and overcome life's challenges. You feel as though the universe gives you the strength to endure life's storms, recognizing your journey towards restoration. Often, this process comes with a rediscovery of your life's purpose. You may have lost sight of your true calling due to various circumstances, but the universe guides you to rekindle that inner spark. This clarity of purpose, combined with your new strength, shows that the universe is actively working to restore your life. It means the universe is not only fixing what was broken, but also empowering you to emerge stronger and more determined than before. Another sign that the universe is restoring your lost years is a strong desire to show kindness and compassion to others. This urge goes beyond feeling obligated. It becomes a natural impulse to make the world better. The compassion you develop through facing adversity drives you to help those in need, regardless of your resources. It's as if the universe has sparked a flame within you, guiding you towards selfless giving. This change isn't just about occasional acts of kindness. It represents a deep shift in your character. Your heart becomes a channel for love, spreading not only tangible gifts, but also meaningful acts that benefit your community. The universe's intent to restore your lost years is clear in your relentless pursuit of compassion, showing that your life is being transformed by forces beyond the visible. Another sign that the universe is restoring your lost years is a deep alignment of your will with its purpose for your life. As restoration unfolds, you'll notice a subtle yet transformative shift in your preferences and desires, guiding you toward choices that resonate with the universe's plan. This new alignment brings a profound sense of joy and fulfillment, like finding the missing piece of a puzzle. Happiness comes easily from knowing your life is unfolding as the universe intends. This alignment with the universe's purpose is a crucial step in the restoration process, showing that your life is being guided back on course by forces beyond human understanding. Moreover, this alignment fosters inner peace, as you find comfort in knowing your choices and actions are in harmony with the universe's grand design. The universe's promise to restore your lost years goes beyond material restitution to encompass a spiritual transformation, aligning your essence with its cosmic purpose. This sense of purpose and fulfillment is a clear indication that the universe is actively engaging in the restoration process. When faced with chaos and challenges, a sense of peace can fill your everyday life, showing that the universe is working to restore what you may have thought lost. This inner calm is a gift from the universe, symbolizing restoration. The universe, in its wisdom, doesn't just remove obstacles, but gives you the strength and tranquility to handle them gracefully. This peace comes from within and provides assurance that, despite any trials you face, everything is unfolding for your highest good. It proves the universe's desire to restore not only what was lost, but also your inner balance. As you navigate life's ups and downs, this peace acts as a guiding light, reassuring you that the universe is carefully piecing your destiny back together, one moment at a time. A clear sign that the universe is working to restore lost time is a growing desire for a deeper spiritual connection. It's like a thirst for understanding and closeness with something greater has awakened within you, leading you on a meaningful journey. Simple prayers become powerful ways to feel connected to something divine, bringing a new awareness of the universe's presence. This spiritual awakening goes beyond any specific religion, embracing the idea that all life is connected and holding a deep respect for the mysteries of the universe. The universe's restoration isn't just about fixing material things. It also involves a spiritual renewal that lifts your awareness. Exploring spiritual texts and practices helps you understand life's purpose and leads to growth and enlightenment. This journey signifies the universe's active role in guiding you toward a life filled with meaning and purpose. The final sign that the universe is working to restore lost time is the deep sense of calm that fills your life, along with repairing damaged relationships. As the universe does its mysterious work, it aims not only to mend your own life, but also to promote harmonious interactions with others. You might feel drawn to reconnect with people from your past, and these feelings aren't just coincidences. They're the universe's way of guiding you towards reconciliation. This process goes beyond surface interactions, encouraging understanding, empathy, and forgiveness in relationships. It's like the universe is orchestrating moments of healing, breathing new life into strained bonds. Embracing this restoration of relationships can greatly improve your overall well-being. The universe understands that restoring lost time involves not only personal growth, but also repairing the fabric of your connections with others. In conclusion, it's important to understand that everyone's journey is different, and the restoration promised by the universe is a personal journey. Have faith that the universe can restore what you've lost, even if you can't see it happening. Being grateful for the universe's amazing work in your life can help guide you through this transformative journey. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you could like, comment, share it with your friends and family. Please don't forget to click on the notification bell to see more of our videos.